the drawings. Hello friends, Ava here. Welcome back. Shall we draw this cute little elephant with me today? Subscribe to the channel now to not miss our drawings. Take your pencil and paper and let's go. Let's start our drawing of this beautiful little elephant by the lines of her little body. We start with the line of your left leg step by step. We draw the lines of the paws and contour your right paw. Very well. We complete the drawing with the lines of your body step by step very slowly. Elephants are known for their kindness and friendliness. They have amazing trunks, and their curves give a special charm. Yes. Very good. Now, continuing the outline, we will draw all the details of the body of our cute little elephant, step by step very slowly. We draw the lines of his legs, his nails and his beautiful paws. We also draw a part of his trunk. Yes, it was perfect. Did you know that elephants are extremely intelligent and have an incredible memory? They are also social animals, living in groups called herds. Moving on, let's draw the face of our little elephant. We start with the lines of your right ear, with a line of your little face. Now we draw your left ear with one more line of your face. Is getting very good. Our cute little elephant is already starting to appear. To finish the base of the outline of our elephant, we will draw all the lines of the wreath and the leaves that decorate the head of our beautiful elephant. In this crown we have colorful flowers and green leaves. Our elephant will be beautiful and colorful. Yes, it was perfect. Let's draw now all the lines of our little elephant's face and the details of her fluffy trunk. Yes, very well. To finish the contour, we draw the eyebrows and their two large and fluffy eyes. Very well. Our drawing of this little elephant is getting very good. Wow. We have finished all the outline of our cute little elephant. She was beautiful. If you are enjoying our drawing so far, subscribe to the channel so as not to miss any new drawing. Yes, very well. Now, are we going to paint? I have already separated the 9 colors that we will use to paint our drawing of this cute little elephant. It's the most colorful design on our channel so far. It's going to look amazing. To start our painting, we will use the lighter blue color to paint the whole body of our elephant. Yes, it was perfect. Now, in the darkest grayish-blue color, we will paint some details of our cute little elephant. We paint the soles of their little feet and the details of their big ears. Yes, very well. We will use the blue color to paint the 2 flowers on the ends of the ornament of our little elephant's head, very slowly. Yes, it was perfect. We will use the color pink to paint another 2 flowers of the ornament of the head of our elephant step by step. Yes, very good. Now, we will use the color red to paint the rose in the center of the ornament of the head of our cute little elephant. Very well. In addition to their adorable appearance, the elephants have several incredible qualities. They are loyal animals, supportive and despite their greatness, are known for their delicacy. Elephants represent the beauty of nature and teach us about compassion and respect for wildlife. Now, we use the color yellow to paint all the brains of the flowers of our elephant's head ornament. Yes, it was perfect. We will use the light green color to paint a part of the leaves of the head of our beautiful elephant. Yes, it's getting very good. To finish the ornament of the head of our elephant, we will use the dark green color to paint the other part of the leaves of the ornament. Yes, very well. To finish our painting, we will use the light pink color to paint the details of the feet and the nails of our little elephant. Still in pink, we will paint the inside of the 2 ears of our cute little elephant, step by step very slowly. Yes, very well. Wow! Our design of this cute and colorful elephant is complete. Friends, the drawing of our cute little elephant was wonderful. Drawing and painting with me was a really cool and fun way to learn about elephants. Congratulations! The drawing was amazing. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Now you can leave your like on this video, and subscribe so you don't miss any new drawing. Every week we have new drawings here. A super Ava kiss, and see you soon.